Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install Mobile Tax app in your device. Mobile Tax app is a convenient and easy way to file your taxes. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Mobile Tax. There you can see Mobile Tax. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Mobile Tax app and file your taxes easily. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.